Katya Saunders hija ikona trans li fl-aħħar xhur ingħatat ħajja ġdida permezz tar-riċerka, wirja u pubblikazzjoni dwar ħajjitha. F'din ir-rokna nlaqqgħukom ma' Katya li l-hinn minn karattru b'saħħtu b'sens kbir ta' eleganza kienet ukoll ta' sostenn għal bosta persuni oħra.
She Said Darling with a K, Reimagining Katya Saunders, is an exhibition that showcases and works with the archive of Katya, and both myself and Charlie wanted to stay true to who Katya actually was and really was.
I'd always been really intrigued by Katya. When I was a kid, I remember seeing her on a bus once and she was wearing this fabulous outfit and I just thought, who is this woman? She's amazing. She looked like she walked out of a Fellini film. So when the opportunity came along to curate a show about her life, that was quite a special thing for me. I only met her once or twice when she was alive, and she just had this presence about her. And we know she was the first openly trans woman.
A Maltese trans woman, and she had a huge persona. We wanted to show that beyond her beautiful, extravagant taste and style, she was bigger than that, and that's what we kind of wanted to try and show within this exhibition. It wasn't just about how stylistic she was or how stylish she was. She had a lot of courage as well to be who she was back then.
So she was quite a renegade. She really had a strong presence, and she was also quite a controversial figure. To be able to curate a show about someone who, didn't live by the norms was quite a challenge, but also one that we really relished. I feel like she really guided us with the things that we put in here. If you look through her things, she's almost made artwork herself, so it was quite easy to pick out some of those items. We have decided to show things from various moments of her life when she lived here. What we also wanted to show was her spirit and her personality, so we've kept the exhibition quite playful.
I think she's an inspiration to many of the younger trans people.
What I must say is that the show does not live alone. It's actually part of the launch of a book which was written by Ramona de Paris. She'd been working on it for quite a while. It's really well researched and detailed. Ramona spent a lot of time talking to family and friends, and has brought to light a history that not many of us know. We were very ethical with the things that we chose to show.
The way she was already archiving somehow her life, documenting her life, was quite interesting for me to notice and to see. The way she labeled everything, the shoeboxes.
There are things that we came across that we don't think she would have wanted people to see. But as curators, I think she did a really good job in highlighting what it is that she wanted people to see. I think she would have been really happy to know that someone was creating an exhibition about her life.
Everything had its story. We never knew whether things were fiction or real, and display was what kind of excited me mostly about the show, apart from all the wonderful photographs that we got. I mean, things have really changed from when Katya came out as a trans woman to now, and the laws have become much better, but maybe people in general still see trans people as different as the other. I don't know what Katya could think, to be honest, because I can't speak for Katya, but I would wish to know what she'd be doing now, whether she would be part of the trans community even, or whether she would do the unconventional way, like of what she's always been unconventional, which is what I think is important for us to all do rather than try to behave and just to fit in.
You know, every time we made the choice was, you know, is she going to come back and haunt me? Is she going to be happy with this? And we hope that, you know, it's very representative of who she is.
And I think she would have, like, done her own thing and just not care about what anyone says. And I think that's really encouraging for all of us who are trans and queer.